Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a new TikTok account. If you're using TikTok and you want to create your new TikTok account, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your TikTok app, and here just tap on the profile option in the bottom right, and here you just have to tap on the sign up option. If you don't have any account and you want to create new one, so just tap on the sign up option. And here you have to simply select with which you want to sign up. So if you want to sign up with your phone number, so you can sign up or enter your phone number here. You can select your email, Facebook, your Apple account, or you can also select your Google account. So let's say I'm gonna select my Google account here. Just tap on this continue option, and you just have to select your Google account. So let's say I'm gonna select this one. Then tap on continue option here. And now you just have to wait for it until it's loading, and you just have to simply enter your date of birth. Let's say I'm gonna enter a random date of birth from here. And once you have entered your date of birth, you just have to tap on this continue option. And here just enter your nickname. So let's say I'm gonna select or enter this one. Once I've entered your nickname, just tap on the continue option here. And now your account has been created. Just tap on your profile option in the bottom right to see your account. You can tap on this edit option to edit your account or add a photo or edit your name or add files etc. You can also upload videos or photos here. So in this way you can easily create a new account on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.